Hi and welcome. This video will show the installation of a cashless nano kit into a Westomatic Snackpoint Quattro snack and can machine. Each order you receive from Vianet will contain all the necessary equipment you will need to perform a successful installation. Here we have a complete kit for the Westomatic Snackpoint.
So basically the payments go through credit card.
Here we have a nano telemetry box, a satin 1-in-1 cashless reader, power cable loop, audit cable, fixtures kit,
cashless,
machine decals, cashless mounting plate, drilling template if required, and a high gain antenna.
Right,
now let's move on to the installation. To start with, I'm going to mount the backing plate onto the cashless reader. To do that, I'm going to remove the 4 screws from the fixtures kit. And then use a Phillips screwdriver to attach. You can pull the cashless reader cable through the hole on the backing plate. Then you can pull all the cable through.
It's just I'm trying to edit it, but I can't because it's
then we can line it up with the screws that are on the back of the cashless reader.
Yeah.
Alright,
not a problem. Cheers, bye.
This is the main power loom. Here we have the main power connector, and down here we have the MDB connector that has a female piggyback for coin mechs. Here we have the comms 1 port for when engineers need to connect laptops. Next to it we have the comms 2. This is where your card reader will be connected to. And on the end here we have an RS232 audit cable, but alongside that we have the specific audit cable that goes along with the Westomatic Snackpoint Quattro, which is the WA141, and all you'll need to do is just to connect that to the main power loom.
Them there sent to the help desk, and we just have them.
This is the Westomatic Snackpoint Quattro vending machine we're going to be installing on today. As you can see, it's already got a pre-cut aperture for the card reader, so there'll be no need to use the drilling template. Let's open up the vending machine and take a look what's inside.
What do you want?
As you can see here, we have all the spirals that are loaded with products, and on the inside of the vending machine door we have another locked compartment where the vending machine's control board is housed. Let's see what's behind door number 2. So on this Westomatic vending machine, it's been fitted with a FAS control board. On this control board we have a service button, we have the JP7 audit port, and behind it we have an MDB port. Here we have the MDB port. Above the FAS control board we have the backing plate that covers the cashless aperture. This is mounted following the EVA CVS guidelines. So now we're going to remove the backing plate that covers the cashless aperture. To do this I'm going to use a 7mm socket wrench. Now I'm going to fit the card reader into the aperture where it will live. I will now screw these on and tighten them up with my 7mm socket. We have placed the telemetry mounting bracket just above the card reader here, as it's the ideal place for it to be, as all the cables can reach all the ports. Once telemetry mounting bracket has been placed, you can then place the telemetry onto the bracket. As you can see here, we have mounted the antenna onto this position as it is an ideal position for it, as you can see. If there is known signal issues, then it can always be placed to the top of the vending machine. Next I'm going to connect the cables. You can take the telemetry off for ease, and then I'm connect the main power cable to the telemetry, and then you can connect the antenna and then place the telemetry back into position. Now I'm going to connect the MDB cable. Now I'm going to connect the audit cable, the WA141, to the RS232 cable, and then connect the end of it to the JP7 port. Next, connect the card reader cable to the COMS2 cable. We are now going to configure the vending machine so it can take MDB cashless payments. To do that, we're going to select command 69, then press B, and we're going to set that to 5 with B. Okay. Now we need to reboot the vending machine. Now the vending machine has powered back up, we can now set a couple more commands. We'll start off with command 29, which is to enable cashless private, and we're going to set that to 1. Press B to confirm, and then we need to set command 37, which is to inhibit the bill reader, and that also wants to be set to 1. Press B to confirm. Now we're going to set the command so that we can enable the audit data reads. So to do that, I'm going to select command 90, press B, and we're going to set that to 6, followed by B, and then it comes up with output optical link. To change this, we can press the A button and it will change it to the RS232. We want optical, so I'm going to press A again, as you can see here, and then I press B to confirm. Press A to exit the menu. Now that the audit is enabled, we need to call Vianet Help Desk to confirm that the audit data has been transferred. Now we need to make a transaction. To do that, you need to press the Go button. Then it'll come up with select an item. I'm going to select 11 on the vending machine keyboard. Press B. And then I'm going to present my card. Authorising, please wait. And the product will vend. Now I can get my item. Refreshing. This is an adhesive cable management bracket. We have already fitted them so that we can tie wrap our audit cable over here. We've tie wrapped our card reader cable over here, and we have our antenna cable tie wrapped and tucked away over here. It's always good to have good cable management. All that's left is to apply the decals. Finally, I've stuck on the decals. I've applied 2 long strips, one at the top, one at the bottom here, and I've placed a payment instructions decal here, and then I'm going to apply the final one, which are payment types. I'm going to just pop that above the instruction form. And once all them are on, you now have a completed installation. So guys, just to recap what we've learned today, we've installed a telemetry and cashless unit on a Westomatic Snackpoint Quattro vending machine. Thanks for watching, my name's Tom, goodbye.